little closer for this one here because that's where it stops. So I really want that to be known. But other than that, it's still very... And actually, I already had the video of the action there, but I still think it's well worth it. So that's it.